Everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, please subscribe. I would so totally love that. And if you're returning, how you doing? Today, I just saw this article and it's reputable and we need to talk. This is a warning to all of us. And I just wanted to come out here and look at our crops. Our beans are going well. Everything is going well, but that is not what I wanted to talk about. I just wanted to show you our progress here. Scary times are ahead of us, guys. Scary times, okay? And this is coming straight from truckers, right from their mouths. The ones that bring our grocery stores their supplies to restock our shelves. They will not be going through these cities where the rioting is continuing. They will not, okay? And that is because they do not feel that it is safe. And these are the cities that are being defunded, that the police departments are being defunded, okay? This was first announced on Fox and Friends first on Wednesday. Now I'm going to read you the article, okay? Cities that decide to cut their police funding could be cutting their own supply lines. So that means that grocery stores, okay, even little mom and pop stores, they're not going to be getting supplies in to restock those shelves. So heed this warning. If you can afford it, get out to the stores now. Stock up now. I'm going to be going this weekend. I'm going to be stocking up as much as I possibly can. It is not safe for truckers to carry goods, they said. They don't want to do it. Trucking companies will not be willing to risk the business. They said it's their first priority to support their drivers and their safety when they're on the road. Defunding the police is a bad idea because when you're on the road, you are for weeks and days at a time driving 11 plus hours with valuable cargo. So what that says to me is that these truckers are afraid that their trucks are going to be taken over by looters. That is scary for them. Everyone wants to steal from these truckers. There is no safe place, they said. Violence is everywhere. So if you're going to be having valuable cargo and there's going to be no police to rely on, who's going to protect these drivers? That's what they are saying. They are afraid. So they're no longer going to be going into these cities that the police departments are going to be defunded. So if you live near or in these cities where the police departments are being defunded, heed this warning. Get to the stores now, as fast as you can. Okay? The states that are going to defund the police, we're not going to anymore because we have to avoid these states for safety reasons. That's what's being said. They have the right to refuse a load because they are worried for their own safety. This is sad. This is sad that truck drivers cannot do their job because they are too afraid to do their job. What does that say to you? That says to me that they are too afraid to go to work, which means that they now cannot support their own families. If these drivers all refuse to go to these areas, the food supply chain will collapse. It will collapse. Allow that to compute into your brain. The food chain supply will collapse, especially in these states. There's going to be no more essential goods. the people in these states are going to run out of food. Then there's going to be complete chaos. 72 hours, that's it. The party is over. It is over. And it isn't just in hot spots like Minneapolis. No. Or New York. I'm sorry. It's going to be everywhere. So heed this warning now. I care too much about all of you. I love every single one of you. Get out to the stores now while you can. Stock up now while you can. Okay. That is all for this video. I just wanted to come out. I'm checking on my garden. I see maybe a little SHI toot got into my garden and decided to do a little dig-a-dig. But that's okay. Our wildlife obviously needed a little snack. But look at that bok choy. Look at that. And I just planted on August 1st. Look at that bok choy over there. It's gorgeous, isn't it? So, okay. I love you. I will see you in the next one. Please stay safe. If you need me, email me. Bye.